Do you have a lot of vegetables? I'll show you what to do with them. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic, and this is a true story. People come up for the weekend, friends, family, somebody offers to make dinner, they leave, and I go into the fridge. You open the fridge and there's little bits of a carrot, you got a couple pieces of onion, little bag of beans, who knows what ends up in your fridge. This recipe for an original cottage salad evolved exactly because of that. I took everything out of the fridge, I put it together, and I have created something so fantastic. You're gonna make this and then you're gonna make it your own. To begin, I like to start with the foundation for this salad, and I'm using 1 cup of quinoa. High in protein, I cook it off on the stove, add that cooked quinoa to your bowl. I absolutely love sweet potatoes. I peel them, dice them into a 425-degree oven for just 10 minutes. Now I add those cooked sweet potatoes to the bowl. Beans are loaded with protein. I'm adding 1 can of chickpeas and also about a cup of green beans. I trimmed off the edges of the green beans, I blanched them and then rough chopped them too. I baked sweet potatoes, blanched beans. I figure I better grill something for this flavor. Great way of adding a boost to your flavor profile. I have a grilled Vidalia onion thinly sliced, half of a jalapeno pepper finely diced. Also, this is fantastic, 5 cloves of garlic, grilled on the barbecue, chopped up, and then 3 ears of corn, nice and beautiful. Take the corn off the cob. Those 4 ingredients go into the bowl. Let's boost our color combination. Chopped cherry tomatoes, zucchini and cucumber, 2 scallions chopped, half of a red pepper, and then also 2 ribs of celery. All of that goes in the bowl. I love onion in this salad, so 1/4 of a red onion thinly sliced, and then I think you need a beautiful fresh herb. How about some fresh mint? About half of a cup, roughly chopped. Everything is in the bowl. At this point, we're gonna make a really lovely dressing, very straightforward. Half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon chopped capers. You know me and mustard. If you don't, I'm a big mustard fan. Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon. I like to add a little bit of sweetness, so a squeeze of honey. Whisk those ingredients together. Do a little taste. You can adjust with lemon. You can adjust with salt. Whisk it together. Dressing is complete. We add it to the salad, about half of the quantity, pour it on top, stir everything together. Marvel at this color combination. Be amazed at the potential of this nutrient-rich vegetarian salad. It's off the charts. Stir it, grab a spoon, do a quick taste test. Hey, pretty good, but add 1 cup of grated feta, stir again, and now final adjustment. Does it need a little bit of salt, more dressing? Just pour, sprinkle, stir, and you're ready to enjoy. When you go to serve, you can transfer into a beautiful bowl like this. I would serve this actually as a vegetarian main course. You could also do it as a side, and if you'd like to serve it with something else, check out our story at weekendатthecottage.com. I've got ideas on what to serve it with. I'm gonna take this little spoon to grab some of this glorious mixture, and I love the fact that this salad will change each time you make it, although I think this combination is ultimately my favorite. Don't wait any longer. Yeah. 1 bite, and I feel healthier. You're gonna feel the same way. Make our original cottage salad. You are gonna love it. Looking for other great ideas, why not head to weekendатthecottage.com. When you're there, please subscribe to our website. Also drop us a few comments on our stories. After that, head to our YouTube channel. You're gonna love that as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop us comments, click the bell for notifications, give us thumbs up if you like our videos. Finally, why not reach out to my incredible business partner, the one, the only, Carol Bogazzi. She's heading up our social media platforms, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. From my cottage to you, how about a cottage salad? I know everyone is going to enjoy. Come on back and visit us again soon.